everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 49 out of 365 days for improving our English. So, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your English journey is also going very fine. So, today I'm gonna discuss consistency. You know what? How consistency make me a good and fluent speaker. So this is all my 50 days journey, and I know today is 49th day, and I'm very happy to be a very consistent people and not breaking a one day my consistency streaked. We can say streaked because we are not breaking a streaked in Snapchat, and that's how I'm not making that street in Snapchat because I'm not that person. I'm always focusing on my goals, not giving that so much my precious time to that one social media. We can say that handles. I'm not on Instagram, not on Snapchat. Yeah, I have downloaded but not use very high level, or I'm not using a little. I'm saying that I'm using. I'm regularly using and learning American accent, and so I want to know that how's my American accent. I've uploaded my video yesterday, and you can also check out my yesterday's video. I'm my American accent video I'm uploaded that day. Okay, so you know how is consistency look like? 50 days back, when I was not a perfect speaker, even I'm not have guts to speak like this in front of camera or in front of anyone who is like speaking with me in English. And today I'm that person that is like speaking with anyone, and I'm and represent and present in anything, any feeling, thoughts, ideas in English in front of anyone. That's how I see as myself when I am doing my work consistently and not breaking a one day streak. So this my journey started from 50 days back, and I think that I have to upload it daily. So that day I thinking that if I not uploaded daily, what gonna be doing. And I'm today I'm very busy because I have to go to Hyderabad, and there is a so hectic day. But that they it's looking like a streak is not be broken, and I'm not that person is like if I am taking a one task or taking a one challenge, and I have not willing to break that challenge. It's my, we can say that qualification qualities. But yeah, it's a work, it will work with me that that many people are like a rabbit, that they are very fast, they are very intelligent, and they have lots of quality, but they have like ego in them, and they think that yeah, we will win for sure. But it is not working with all. Like I'm not that type of rabbit, and I am always like a slow runner, and I am always like have to take step by step processes. And like I'm always making a video and always improving daily, and this is how I feel very grateful to myself that I am daily improving 1%. And this is how I am becoming perfect, and I will be perfect fluent speaker in 1 year because I take challenge of 365 days, all. So I thought that we have always thought that we have to improve our English, but we have not willing to be consistent people. So this is our biggest mistake, I can say that. So I have always uh, thinking that I have not to do that mistake because many people do that mistake. What is the difference between our and many people? So there must be a difference that we have to do a slightest changes in our habits to not focusing upon our mistakes and focusing upon only on the daily improvements that is going to be giving changes in our improvement in our success. So for what purpose I started this challenge? I take challenge in my university debate competition. From that day when I was stuck in between, I thought that this will not be held again in future. So to avoid this situation that I'm facing on stage, that I feel so embarrassed, so fearful, so hesitated, and I prepare a whole debate, but at the time I remember only half of that. And I think that it is better to say thank you instead of like be a statue in front of judges, that they're thinking that they they're thinking that she is not going to be good like speaking, and what is she doing like this. So I thinking that I have to say thank you and uh, uh, come here to my seat, okay. So this is from that day I think that I have to do some great thing, and not a great thing, but at least the thing that I have to not stuck in between, and not filled with hesitation and fear when I was in stage, okay. So at that from that time I was always thinking that I in next time I had taken competition and part taking part in competition, and I have to do my best to present my views, present of the debates viewpoint, so that I can impress anyone. And the judges thinking that, not always thinking that I have to gain one to third rank, no, this is not all matters in starting, but the matter is that, yeah, the judges is thinking that, yeah, it is she is going a good speaker, and yeah, it is speaking a good thing, a good content, yeah. This is a different thing that we got world first, second, third stage and rank, but it is not all matter from my viewpoint. Yeah, if you are gonna be a great speaker, a good speaker, you can think of this. Yeah, I can also think. Yeah, I'm always thinking, but sometimes it not to be represented in front of anyone, because if we are collected our willpower, it is a going very strongest thing, because unity has strength. And if we are unite all our thoughts, all our willingness, this power is so huge to be giving us success. So this is all. I think you understand that's how consistency improve my fluency. And if you are gonna be implement this level of consistency, your level of knowledge, your level of fluency speaking skills is going to be a very good. So I know I made mistakes, but I didn't stop in between. So this is my all morals, and I didn't want to break all these morals. And so today I'm also making this video, because it is gonna to be a 8 to 9 minutes video, and I am, yeah, that in 24 hours I can all only I have to give 8 to 9 minutes for that one skill. So this is not a great and a big piece of cake we can say that. So this is all about today's video. So stay tuned with your growth and development, and have a nice day. Bye bye.